The pace of technological change is relentless right now. AI is making decisions faster than humans. 5G is connecting billions of devices in real time, and blockchain is redefining security and finance. These innovations aren't just distant possibilities. They're already here, reshaping industries and daily life. In this video, we'll cover the 20 most important technology trends that are defining the future and changing how we live, work, and do business. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have quickly become essential to nearly every industry. From personalized healthcare solutions to fraud detection in finance, AI is enabling machines to learn from data and make decisions with minimal human intervention. However, AI isn't without its challenges. Concerns about job automation and algorithmic bias are on the rise. Still, AI's market is booming, expected to reach $190 billion by 2025, with significant advancements in natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics. 2. 5G technology. 5G technology promises to be a game changer by delivering ultra-fast internet speeds, low latency, and the ability to connect millions of devices seamlessly. It's going to fuel the future of smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and IoT devices, allowing them to communicate in real time. However, 5G rollout isn't without hurdles. High costs of infrastructure and regulatory issues in some regions have slowed down implementation. By 2026, the 5G market is expected to be valued at $667.95 billion as more devices become connected. 3. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things is all about creating a connected network of physical devices, from smart refrigerators to industrial sensors, that collect and exchange data. IoT applications are driving efficiency in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. But security vulnerabilities are a growing issue. With more devices getting connected, cyber attacks targeting IoT systems have surged. Despite these challenges, the IoT market is forecasted to reach $1.6 trillion by 2025, making it a pivotal technology in smart homes, cities, and industrial processes. 4. Edge computing. Edge computing brings data processing closer to the source of data, reducing the latency and bandwidth issues associated with cloud computing. It's particularly important for time-sensitive applications like self-driving cars and industrial automation, where real-time data processing is critical. The global edge computing market is expected to grow from $4 billion in 2020 to $15.7 billion in 2025, driven by the growing adoption of IoT and the need for faster data processing. The downside? Managing distributed edge networks can be complex and costly, requiring robust infrastructure. 5. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is most commonly associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential goes far beyond that. Blockchain offers a decentralized, secure, and transparent way to record transactions, which is being applied in industries like finance, supply chain management, and healthcare. For instance, blockchain can verify the origin of products in supply chains or ensure the integrity of medical records. But blockchain still faces hurdles. Its energy consumption and scalability are major issues. By 2025, the blockchain market is expected to grow to $39.7 billion, but widespread adoption will depend on overcoming these challenges. 6. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR and VR are transforming the way we experience the world, offering immersive digital environments in everything from gaming to training simulations. AR overlays digital elements onto the real world, think Pokemon Go, while VR immerses users in a completely virtual space. Industries like real estate and education are adopting these technologies for virtual tours and interactive learning, but the cost of high-end equipment remains a barrier. Despite that, the AR/VR market is projected to reach $209.2 billion by 2025, driven by advancements in hardware and 5G network. 7. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, but has the potential to revolutionize industries that require massive computational power. Unlike traditional computers, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits, which can process a vast number of possibilities simultaneously. This makes quantum computing particularly valuable for solving complex problems in drug discovery, cryptography, and optimization. However, the technology is still experimental, and practical applications are limited by issues like error rates and stability. Despite this, quantum computing is attracting massive investments from companies like Google and IBM, and the market could reach $64.98 billion by 2030. 8. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. RPA is about automating repetitive tasks that typically require human intervention. Whether it's processing invoices in the finance sector or automating customer service interactions, RPA is transforming how businesses operate. The benefit? Employees can focus on higher-value tasks, while software bots handle the mundane stuff. However, RPA implementation comes with high upfront costs and requires maintenance. The RPA market is expected to grow from $1.89 billion in 2020 to $13.74 billion by 2028. But companies must balance automation with potential job losses. 9. Enhancing cybersecurity. As cyber attacks grow more sophisticated, cybersecurity technologies are evolving to defend against them. AI-driven threat detection systems, zero-trust architectures, and advanced encryption methods are becoming the new norm. However, keeping up with rapidly evolving threats is a challenge, especially for industries that handle sensitive data like finance and healthcare. The cybersecurity market is expected to reach $248.26 billion by 2024. But the constant need for innovation and adaptation means businesses need to stay vigilant. 10. Sustainable technology. Sustainable technology focuses on reducing the environmental impact of industries by leveraging green energy, recycling, and waste management innovations. From solar panels to green manufacturing processes, the focus is on sustainability as regulations tighten globally. But scalability remains a concern. Green technologies often require large initial investment, and the global infrastructure isn't always equipped to handle the shift away from fossil fuels. The sustainable tech market is projected to grow to $36.6 billion by 2027, with industries like transportation, energy, and manufacturing leading the way. 11. Human augmentation. Human augmentation is enhancing human abilities through exoskeletons, wearable technology, and brain-computer interfaces. For instance, exoskeletons are helping individuals with mobility challenges walk again, while brain-computer interfaces allow users to control devices with their thoughts. However, concerns around accessibility and privacy remain. The market for human augmentation is expected to grow to $298.50 billion by 2027, driven by demand in healthcare, defense, and personal productivity tools. 12. AI Augmented Development. AI is now revolutionizing software development by automating code generation, testing, and debugging. Tools like GitHub Copilot suggest code snippets in real time, significantly speeding up the development process. However, developers need to remain cautious, as over-reliance on AI tools could introduce security vulnerabilities. As companies push for faster software delivery, AI augmented development is becoming essential for maintaining competitiveness. 13. Industry cloud platforms. Industry cloud platforms offer tailored solutions for specific industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. These platforms provide specialized tools to meet regulatory compliance requirements while boosting operational efficiency. For example, healthcare cloud platforms streamline patient data management and support care coordination. However, the challenge lies in ensuring data security and interoperability between platforms. The market for industry cloud platforms is expected to reach $83 billion by 2025. 14. Smart apps. Smart apps leverage AI and machine learning to provide personalized user experiences and automate tasks. These apps are being used across sectors like finance, healthcare, and retail to improve customer engagement and operational efficiency. For example, smart investment apps offer tailored financial advice, while healthcare apps assist in diagnostics. However, data privacy remains a concern as these apps collect sensitive user information. The market for smart apps is projected to grow to $62.4 billion by 2025. 15. Democratized generative AI. Generative AI, which creates new content like text, images, or music, is becoming more accessible. This trend is enabling businesses and individuals to leverage powerful AI tools without needing deep technical expertise. Tools like DALL-E are already transforming marketing, entertainment, and design. However, as generative AI becomes democratized, concerns about copyright infringement and misuse of content are rising. 16 to 20. Emerging trends. Additional critical trends include continuous threat exposure management for real-time vulnerability monitoring, AI trust and risk management frameworks for ethical AI systems, platform engineering for streamlined software delivery, machine customers making autonomous purchasing decisions, and the augmented connected workforce leveraging remote collaboration tools and wearable devices to enhance productivity in hybrid work models. There you have it, the 20 game-changing technology trends shaping the future as we speak. These innovations are fundamentally transforming how we interact with technology, conduct business, and navigate daily life. The future is being written now, and understanding these trends is essential for anyone looking to stay ahead in an increasingly digital world.
Since you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more evolved and up-to-date content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.